Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. And finally, we have completed exploring complete Coorg or Madikeri. Now we are heading to Udupi. Udupi is 190 kilometers from Madikeri, and we started the journey overnight itself around 12 o'clock. And you can see it's heavily raining like anything, it's pouring like anything. Our entire journey is filled with heavy rains. 90% of journey we happen to travel, in heavy rain only because it's monsoon, right? It's raining like anything. You can see the rain is hitting, windshield directly. There's no visibility at all. So 9 kilometers to Udupi. We are almost reaching Udupi, and so we are somewhere around outskirts of Udupi, and so I think within 5 to 10 minutes we will be reaching Udupi. Now from here, for 1 kilometer, we have to take right to Udupi. We have to take right. Alright, so from here we have to take a right to enter Udupi city. So alright, so we have reached Udupi. This is Udupi city now, and so Udupi is famous for Sri Krishna temple, if you all know that. But we were not happen to visit Sri Krishna temple, as this trip is not a devotional trip. We are exploring, sightseeing and all of that. So in the next two vlogs, I'm going to show you a couple of wonderful beaches within Udupi itself. They are very famous beaches. So I'm going to show you that beaches in the next vlog. So this is Udupi city. We are almost approaching our hotel. So we have reached our hotel, and here we will be staying tonight, and tomorrow morning we are going to explore a couple of beaches in Udupi. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next vlogs. So we were going to explore Malpe beach and Kapu beach, which is in Udupi. These two beaches are very famous beaches, and I'm going to explore and show you these two beaches. Thank you for watching. By the way, the charges for this hotel Udupi Inn is 3,000 for double occupancy.